Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. I'm happy you joined me here in the no bra zone. I've already prepped my canvas. We're gonna be doing what I call kinda like a Dutch pour. And the reason I call it that is the last Dutch pour I did not flood my paints with the white base coat and then blow it over the paints. And the reason I did that is because I did not want to mute my colors. I wanted them bold and brilliant. I'll put a link into the video of which I'm speaking about. And a bunch of people smacked my butt for that. They said, that's not a Dutch pour. A Dutch pour is this and a Dutch pour is that, which, you know, I'm sorry. I'm just here to paint, guys. I'm just here to enjoy myself and paint and share with you what it is I have learned. So I'm going to be doing kind of like a Dutch pour, but I am not going to flood my colors, at least not all of them. And my blow dryer is my handy dandy straw. Let's just hope I don't pass out. I might pull out the blow dryer if needed, but I'm hoping I have enough hot air to move my paint around. Canvas is already prepped. It is a 10 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. Everything's on sale at Michael's, 70% off, guys. Now's the time to buy them. My base coat is Artist Loft White, mixed with my pouring medium, as is all my paints, which is 75% Floetrol and 25% Golden GAC 800. Now, I did put a little bit of water in one of these paints because it was a little bit heavy body, and I want to be able to blow those colors over my canvas, and I don't want my paints very thick. I want them a little thinner, which GAC 800 does. So let's talk about our colors. We've got some of my favorite. This is the Golden Turquoise mixed with just a little bit of the Decoart Peacock Pearl. This color right here is the Golden Turquoise mixed with some Iridescent Pearl, just to kind of tone it down a little bit. This is a new paint that I paint tested on a swipe the other day. This is the new Heavy Metals by Stuart Simples, and it comes in a nice little package with silver and copper and blackish gold, and I can't remember what other color, and a gold, but this is the copper color in this little box that you get, and they're awful cute, and they're a very nice fluid paint. So we're gonna see how that baby does. This color right here is also a new color. This is the Alchemy Metallics, and this is the This is the Rustic Brown. So I'm excited about these colors. Coppers and blues and browns, they all play really, really well together. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of lay my paints out, grab my handy dandy straw, and I'm gonna blow them all over the place to see what we come up with. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's go ahead and get busy.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love. again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. So sweet again. Oh, na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh, na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, and now I know what I need to do. Can't stand right when it's blowing, pushing me down. Feels like I'm falling apart, yet I hold on. Head held high, can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above it all, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat a ball, I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again, again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go. And I start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. Oh, make it all undone. So we did